Welcome back to the class. Today in this class we are going to learn an interesting poem, Beauty of Nature. Third Standard English Samchaya Kalvi, Term 1, Book page number 110. Prepared and presented by Miss Julie, JMJ English Medium High School. Nature. The word nature is a commonly used word. The word nature is used for all the things that are normally not made by humans. Things like forest, air, water, sun, moon, animals, birds, landforms such as mountains, valleys, beach, seas, and much more are part of nature. Things that have been made by people are said to be man-made or called artifacts. We find many colors in nature which make the earth beautiful. This beauty has been admired by many poets and they have written many poems. One among them is the poem we are going to learn. That poem is Beauty of Nature. Let's read the poem. Mountains are the highest, valleys are the lowest. Plains are flat like a mat, don't we all know that? Highlands have water all around. Thousands of these can be found. Deserts have sand and plum trees. Oceans have waters from many seas. Beautiful is the planet that I live in. There is no other place that is a king. The land on Earth's surface is not the same everywhere. At some place, the land may be too high. At some place, very low. Some areas are green and some are very dry. These natural formed areas of land on the surface of Earth is known as landforms. There are different types of landforms. In this poem, the poet describes the beauty of landforms. First, he tells about mountains. Among the landforms, mountains are the highest landform. The lowest form of landform is known as valley. What is a valley? Valley is the low area between hills or mountains. Next, the poet tells us about plains. He compares plains with a mat. Students, have you seen a mat? How it will be? Yes, mat looks very flat, without height. So, the poet says, like a mat, the plains are a large area of land with no hills or mountains. Students, do you know for what the plains are suitable for? Yes, the plains are more suitable for farming. The poet says these things which we all know very well. Next, he talks about highlands. The poet says highland is an area of land that's surrounded by water. Highlands may occur in oceans, seas, lakes or rivers. There are around 2000 islands only in oceans in the world. That's why the poet says there are thousands of islands are found. Now the poet focused the landform which is very dry. Students, do you know the name of that landform? Yes, desert. Desert is a very dry, sandy area with few or no trees growing in it. Among the few trees, plum trees are the one which commonly grows in desert. Then he tells us about oceans. What is an ocean? Ocean is a huge body of salt water. What is a sea? Sea is also a body of salt water. Students, do you think the sea and the ocean are same things? No, they are not. Seas are much smaller than oceans and are normally found where the land and ocean meet. Therefore, seas are smaller body of salt water, completely or partially surrounded by land. Thus, the poet says oceans have waters from many seas. He is telling us, see how beautiful is the planet we are living in. There is no other planet in the universe is similar to our planet Earth. Hakin means similar. Now let us sing the poem Beauty of Nature. Mountains are the highest, valleys are the lowest, plains are flat like a mat, don't we all know that? Highlands have water all around, thousands of these can be found. Highlands have water all around, thousands of these can be found. Deserts have sand and plum trees, oceans have water from many seas. Deserts have sand and plum trees, oceans have water from many seas. Beautiful is the planet that I live in, there is no other place that is second. Students, sing the song at home and practice it. It's time for us to learn rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words which has same or similar ending sound. Usually, rhyming words occurs at the end of the poem lines. In this poem, the rhyming words are highest, lowest, mad, that, around, found, trees, seas, hin, hacking. These are the rhyming words. Today in this class we have learnt an interesting poem Beauty of Nature. Let me meet you with another interesting topic in next class. Thank you.